Hello everyone, welcome to the online course on digital logic design. And in our previous lecture we were discussing about the combinational circuits where we saw a couple of examples. One was for parity generator circuit and the other example was related to design of BCD to 7 segment display decoder. In this video lecture we shall discuss an important combinational circuit which is present in almost all present digital systems, and that is multiplexers. A multiplexer is a combinational circuit which has n inputs data channels, one output data channel and log 2 of n selection lines, where n is always equal to the integer power of 2, that is n can be capital N, it can be 2, 4, 8, 16, etc. So the multiplexer is usually referred to as 2 cross 1 mux, 4 cross 1 mux, 16 cross 1, 32 cross 1 and so on. So it connects one out of n input channels to the output channel based on the binary value of selection line, right? So the number of input channel is always equal to 2 raised to power n, and the number of output channel is always equal to 1, and the number of selection line is always equal to log 2 of number of input channels. So n is equal to capital N is equal to 2 raised to power small n, and number of select line is equal to log 2 of capital N. And the task of multiplexer is connect one input out of these capital N inputs at a time to the output channel depending upon the binary value of select line. For example, here we have a 4 cross 1 multiplexer which has 4 input channels. So capital N is equal to 4, and number of select line is log 2 of 4, which is equal to 2. So we have two select line denoted as S0 and S1, and we have one output. So based on the binary value of the select line, the multiplexer connects one of the input to the output. So if we have 0 0 on the select line, then input 0 is connected to the output. Similarly, when we have 0 1 over here, then the second input is connected to the output, and so on. And each channel can have one or multiple bit lines, so there can be one or more bit lines per channel. In order to explain this concept further, let us take an example of 4 cross 1 multiplexer with 2 bits per channel. So here we have 4 channels A, B, C, D. So capital N is equal to 4, and we have one output channel which is denoted as Y, and we have two select lines. So log 2 of 4 is equal to 2. So we have two select line which is denoted by S0 and S1, and within each channel we have 2 bit lines. So in channel A we have bit lines A0, A1. In channel B the bit lines are B0, B1. In channel C the bit lines are C0, C1, and finally in channel D the bit lines are D0, D1. In the same way, there are 2 bit lines in the output channel Y which are denoted as Y0 and Y1. So one thing you should remember, that number of bits per channel should be the same. It means if all channels are 2 bit channel, the output channel must also be comprising of 2. So if we have 4 cross 1 multiplexer with 2 bits per channel, then all the channel must have 2 bit lines, including the input channel and the output channel. Now let us derive the Boolean expression for this multiplexer configuration. So we say that when the input select lines are S0 equal to 0 and S1 equal to 0, then the output bit line Y0 is connected to channel A, right? It means the channel Y is connected to channel A. So each bit of channel Y is connected to the corresponding bit of input channel. So Y0 bit is connected to A0. Similarly, Y1 bit is connected to A1 bit line. In the second case, when S0 is 1, S1 is 0, we have 0 1 over here, then this channel is connected to channel B in such a way that bit line Y0 is connected to B0, Y1 is connected to B1, and in the same way we can connect these bit lines to channel C and D depending upon the value of these select line. So overall Boolean expression becomes Y0 is equal to A0 when S0 0 and S1 is 0. So we can write S0 complement S1 complement, or Y0 is equal to B0 when S0 is 1 and S1 is 0. So S0 S1 complement, or Y0 is equal to C0 when S0 complement and S1 is true, or Y0 is equal to D0 when S0 is equal to 1, S1 is equal to 1. So this is the Boolean expression for Y0. Similarly for Y1, Y1 can be connected to either A1 or B1 or C1 or D1 depending upon the Boolean value of these two bit lines. So Y1 is connected to A1 when this combination is true, which is S0 complement S1 complement, or Y1 can be connected to B1 when this combination is true, which is S0 S1 complement, or C1 S0 complement S1, or D1 S1 S0. So in this way we can realize multiplexer in terms of logic gates. These two equations when mapped onto logic gate will realize this 4x1 multiplexer. And in the class activity we shall discuss how to design an 8x1 multiplexer with 3 bits per channel. So it is 8x1 multiplexer. It means it has 8 channels, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8 input channels. So capital N is equal to 8. How many number of select lines are over there? Log 2 of 8 is equal to 3. So we have 3 select lines, S0, S1 and S2, and we have just one output channel Y, and there are 3 bits per channel. So each channel is in fact composed of 3 bits, A0, A1, A2. Similarly channel B is composed of B0, B1, B2 and so on. So our task would be to write Boolean expression for the output bits which are Y0, Y1 and Y2. So in this case we can construct a truth table which says that when S1, S0, S2, S1 and S0, these are the 3 select lines, they are 0 0 0, then the output channel Y is equal to channel A, such that each of its bit is connected to the corresponding bit line of channel A. Similarly when the input combination is 0 0 1, Y is connected to channel B up to 1 1 1. So this was all about multiplexer. Multiplexer is a digital component combinational circuit which connect 2 raised to power n input lines to one output line depending upon the value of selection line, which are always equal to log 2 of number of input channel. Our next component is the demultiplexer, and demultiplexer has got an operation which is somewhat inverse of multiplexer. While the multiplexer symbol is like this, it connects multiple inputs to one of the output depending upon the select line. The demultiplexer has one input and 2 raised to power n outputs, and log 2 of n select line, and it connects this input to one of the 2 raised to power n outputs one at a time depending upon the binary value of these select line. So when we have 4 cross 1 multiplexer, we can have 1 cross 4 demultiplexer. Similarly, for 8 cross 1 multiplexer, we can have 1 cross 8 demultiplexer, which connects one input to one of the 8 output channels depending upon the value of select line. And number of output channel for demultiplexer is always equal to the integer power of 2, similar to the case when we discuss multiplexer. And again, there can be one or multiple bit lines per channel. So let's demonstrate the construction of 1 cross 4 demultiplexers with 2 bits per channel. We have one input channel Y, which has 2 bit lines Y0, Y1, and we have 4 output channels A, B, C, D with their bit lines denoted as A0, A1 up to D0, D1. And since the number of select line is always equal to the binary logarithm of number of output channel, so we have two select line S0 and S1. So when S0, S1 both are equal to 0, the input channel is connected to the output channel A, such that Y0 is connected to A0 and Y1 is connected to A1. So A0 equal to Y0, A1 equal to Y1. Similarly, when we have S0, S1 combination equal to 0, 1, the second channel is connected to the input, such that B0 equal to Y0 and B1 equal to Y1, and so on. So in this way we can write Boolean expression A0 is connected to Y0, A0 is equal to Y0 when S0 complement S1 complement is true. Similarly, A1 is connected to Y1 when S0 complement S1 complement is true. So this pair of equations are related to the first combination of select line. Similarly, B0 is connected to Y0 when S0 is true and S1 complement is true, and B1 is connected to Y1 when S0 is true and S1 complement is true, and so on. So in this case we can construct a 1 cross 4 demultiplexer. Similarly, we can have 1 cross 8 demultiplexer, 1 cross 16 demultiplexer, and we can obtain their Boolean expression. So this concludes our lecture of multiplexer. We will see you in the next video.